Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to aim and dodge in Brawl Stars. Firstly, auto-aim is quick and effective for short-range attacks, but can miss at long distances or against moving targets. Use it when you're very close to the enemy to land shots accurately. Players tend to move in patterns. Observe if your opponent strafes, moves side to side, or tries to dodge consistently in a specific direction. Just aim slightly ahead of where you expect them to move. Now, moving in a zigzag pattern makes it harder for enemies to predict your path and land shots. Alternate your movement direction every few steps to throw off your opponent's aim. Just close-range brawlers like Bull and El Primo rely on getting close, so focus on dodging until they approach and aim carefully to counter-attack. If you enjoy dodging and high-speed gameplay, choose agile brawlers like Leon or Crow. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.